Hi everyone, my name's Jason Roberts and welcome to my course Mocking with MockU and xUnit. I'm a freelance developer and author. Writing unit tests can be difficult, time-consuming and slow when you can't isolate the classes you want to test from the rest of the system. In this course we're going to use the MockU mocking library to create fake dependencies and use them to isolate parts of the codebase for testing purposes. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include how to configure mocked methods to return specific values, how to set up and work with mocked properties, how to check your code is interacting correctly with its dependencies, and some more advanced techniques such as throwing events and throwing exceptions from mock objects. By the end of this course, you'll know how to use MockU to create, configure and use mock objects to isolate parts of your codebase for testing. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with basic C# syntax. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into some additional testing tools with courses on approval tests, fluent assertions, and creating automated browser tests with Selenium in C#. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn mocking with the Mocking with MockU and xUnit course at Pluralsight.